What if I told you you could make $100 a day or more without grinding 9 to 5? Thanks to AI tools, it's possible. And no, I'm not talking about coding or being some tech genius. These are the laziest, easiest ways to earn online right here in the US. Let's break it down. Now, quick note, none of this is a get-rich overnight scheme. You'll need consistency, but the effort is way less compared to traditional side hustles. All right, let's get into the laziest ways to make money with AI. Number 1, AI content creation with ChatGPT plus Canva. Ever seen those motivational quote pages on Instagram or TikToks with simple text over stock footage? That's AI at work. Use ChatGPT, free at chat.openai.com, to generate quotes, tips, or short scripts. Then head to canva.com, free version works, and turn those into eye-catching posts or short vertical videos. Upload daily on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Once you hit some traction, you can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, or even ad revenue. Many faceless pages make $100 to $300 a day once they grow. Number 2, print on demand with AI art. Don't know how to design? Perfect. AI does it for you. Go to leonardo.ai or ideogram.ai to generate cool t-shirt designs, mugs, stickers. Upload those designs to redbubble.com or teespring.com. Every time someone buys, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping. It's basically passive once you upload. Some sellers make $100 a day with just a few winning designs. Number 3, AI voiceovers. Audiobooks. Ever thought about audiobooks? The demand is huge. Use 11labs.io or murph.ai to generate professional voiceovers. Grab free ebooks from publicdomain.org, yes, legally free. Convert them into audiobooks and upload to acx.com, Amazon's audiobook marketplace. Every sale pays you a royalty. People are making hundreds per month, which can stack to $100 a day. Number 4, AI stock videos, photos. Stock websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay creators every time someone downloads their work. Use Kyber.ai or Runway ML to generate short AI stock clips, or use Canva's text-to-image for photos. Upload to stock sites and let downloads make you passive income. Some creators earn 100+ daily once they build a library of uploads. Number 5, AI affiliate marketing cheat code. This one's powerful. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Ask ChatGPT to write product reviews, blog posts, or YouTube scripts for you. Post them on a free blog like medium.com or as TikTok Jock YouTube content. Each time someone buys through your link, you earn commission. And the best part? The AI does most of the writing, so it's low effort. So there you go. 5 lazy ways to make at least $100 a day with AI. Content creation with ChatGPT plus Canva, print-on-demand designs, audiobooks with AI voices, AI stock videos, affiliate marketing with AI content. Start with one, keep it simple, and scale up. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you work smarter, not harder. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more AI money hacks.